And a good afternoon to you. I'm meteorologist Nicholas Herboso with a look at your forecast on next weather. We're starting with the national picture. We're going to be butting right up to the 3 o'clock show. So this is going to be kind of a shorter edition again here on our Friday. But I want to talk about what's happening this weekend and then get us into Christmas as well. So starting with this weekend, look at the cold air that's looming just off to our north. I hope you're ready for it. There's a look at the current surface map. You can see a cold front located to our north with cold air just north of it. That is going to be our main story as we head into tonight and over into the weekend. Colder air is rolling in. Temperature dropping in Jackson, Mississippi right now, 60 degrees, already 55 in Birmingham. See the 30s in Nashville and Knoxville. Actually, some flurries possible in the mountains there in far eastern Tennessee. The possibility of stuff in northern Alabama, probably not going to happen, but we'll just keep an eye on it for sure. Of course, nothing here, but we will get the push of colder air. 64 degrees right now for our temperature. Let's zoom up. Look at Tennessee real quick. You can see those clouds rolling in behind that cold front, and you see some of that in the mountains popping up, some of those snow showers. So that's kind of cool to see here on this Friday right before Christmas. Kind of a nice little treat there. You can see on the radar in North Alabama there's nothing going on, and you see those showers there in the mountains there in far eastern Tennessee and far western North Carolina. Those are likely some snow showers that are happening there. So for us tonight, we stay dry. This is a dry cold front that passes through our area, and temperatures go way down. We're talking 30s for the entire southeast with 20s possible as well. Taking a look closer, this is the forecast lows in the viewing area for tomorrow morning. 29 in Grove Hill, freeze possible north of I-10. We're going to be sitting right above a freezing point here of 32 degrees. We're going to be sitting more around 33, 34, 35 right at the coast. So I hope you're ready for that. Of course, pets, big thing you want to take care of. And if you still have any plants, just keep an eye on that. Quick reminder, we're streaming live on Facebook here. So go ahead and say hi in the chat and I can kind of answer your questions as well. Nancy, good afternoon to you as well. But yeah, we'll have the Facebook chat up here and I can take a look at that as well. So you can see overnight tonight, it gets really quite chilly. This is that cold front that is passing through. Looking at kind of location by location, 31 Leakesville, 32 Lukesdale, 34 in Pascagoula. Let's look inland. Jackson 30, 31 Wallace, Bruton, Flomaton, 31 Atmore, 29 Thomasville. So very cold air rolling in tonight. Mobile and Baldwin counties now. This is 33 here in Mobile, 32 Robertsdale, 33 Spanish Fort, 33 down to Gulf Shores. This is some very chilly air rolling in with this cold front. So I hope you're ready for it. Now, Northwest Florida, 35 in Pensacola, 34 Navarre, 35 Fort Walton Beach, and low 30s north of I-10 there. So cold start on Saturday morning. Then we go to Saturday afternoon. It is just going to stay chilly. Goodness, it's going to stay chilly. 53 degrees for a forecast high, so that is not very high there. So hope you're ready for that. Grab the jackets on your Saturday. 32 degrees on Sunday, so another very chilly morning there. But then cool for the afternoon. Temperatures in the upper 50s. Sunshine expected both days. There's that forecast for Saturday. Saturday afternoon highs in the low 50s. Look at Grove Hill staying at 49 degrees. Wouldn't that be a bit rough? That is going to be a chilly day, and we will have a northerly wind as well that you will notice. That's going to be out of the north around 10 miles per hour. Then on Sunday afternoon, see those temperatures slightly higher than they were on Saturday. 54 Grove Hill, 57 in Mobile, 57 in Gulf Shores. So kind of slowly beginning to become more mild as we end the weekend. Wind direction changes out of the east on Sunday. Look at the forecast lows over the next 7 days. Notice the change. Wednesday is Christmas. 53 for forecast low, and you notice we're getting into a warming trend there. Forecast highs on Christmas, 69 degrees. So Christmas Eve, 68. Wednesday, Christmas Day, 69 degrees. Then we're in the 70s after Christmas, going well above average. This is a warming trend that we are expecting through Christmas. Here's the deal. We actually have a system that's going to be rolling in around that time. So we introduce a rain chance around 40% on Christmas Day, which is Wednesday. Wednesday, Christmas Day, 40% rain chance here. It's not a lot of rain, I think, over the next 7 days. The forecast from the Weather Prediction Center showing rainfall totals only staying around That's that light green, the lightest green that you see there. That's a trace. Then you go around 1/4 of an inch and you get to that bluish color. That is 1/2 inch. So not a lot of rain over the next 7 days with this approaching system. Maybe when we go beyond 7 days, we see a little bit of rain. But long story short, for that Christmas rain chance, it's not looking exceptionally like a soaker, like a super soaker. It's actually going to be a little bit more scattered. In fact, the trend in the latest forecast models has been to back off just a bit on that Christmas Day rain chance. If you were watching this morning, we were closer to like a 60-50 rain chance, pulled it back to a 40-50 rain chance for Christmas Day. You see that area of rain rolls in. This now leaning more towards the afternoon, scattered showers possible, and that lasts into the evening and nighttime hours. So if you're doing a Christmas Day dinner, you might be dealing with rain showers and clouds around. So here's that Christmas Day forecast kind of in a summary. Rain showers possible maybe later in the day. Rain chance 40, maybe 50%. Temperatures very mild as well. We're going to be close to 70 degrees there. So a much milder look for Christmas again with that chance of showers on Christmas Day. That is a Wednesday. Christmas Eve, I think we're mainly dry. So here it is. That outlook over the next 10 days. By the way, winter does begin tomorrow. Notice on Tuesday, which is Christmas Eve, we have dropped the rain chance. However, there could be just a couple of isolated showers late in the day, maybe on Tuesday, Christmas Eve. Very isolated showers though, but not enough to where it's like, okay, we're going to have rain showers all around. We have to include a notable rain chance on the planner. It may be an isolated shower. Of course, over the next few days, we'll look at the high resolution forecast modeling. And once we get the high resolution models in, we get a better idea of what goes on. Wednesday, scattered showers possible. That is, of course, Christmas Day. Scattered showers, temperatures around 70 degrees. And notice a warming trend going beyond and looking at that 10-day outlook. Friday, Saturday, sometimes as we end the year maybe, we might have a couple storm systems that roll through here. Might actually bring a chance of thunder. So this outlook takes us all the way through December 30th. You see how Monday we introduced that storm chance there at the last day of our 10-day outlook. So there's a couple chances, maybe really long out in the forecast, that we could see some thunderstorms returning to the forecast as more systems roll through here. But the deal is, for now, cold for the weekend. Be ready for that. And then getting milder with a rain chance getting introduced as we get to Christmas Day on Wednesday, December 25th. So we're about to start our 3 p.m. show here. Be sure to tune in. We'll break down this forecast in more detail, kind of go over some of the big points there. Jason will be in 4, 5, 9, and 10 as well. Be sure to check that out. We'll have the latest on your forecast, updates on the Fox 10 weather app as well. Thank you so much for joining us on this short edition of your Next Weather forecast. We'll be back on Monday with Next Weather. Hopefully get a little longer edition for you there. And we'll see you this afternoon and this evening on 3, 4, 5, 9, and 10 p.m. for our newscast here on Fox 10. Thank you for joining us.